Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue work on this project, and if you didn't see last videos you can go to the description and I add all links there. Okay, let's get started. First we delete comments. Today we'll work in the second section. Code, close the menu. Okay, here everything looks okay, and we can only change font. Add new font size for mobile version, and also we can change button. Change padding and change min width. And also we can change font size. Okay, and let's go to the second section. Okay. And also we need to delete this class because our menu is always open. Okay, and change size. We can create one more media request. Create, and here we can change first padding. We can use one property and add top padding, right, left, and bottom. Okay, and also we need to add gap. We can to find cards styles, added columns gap, and also we can add flex wrapper. Okay, but also we need add space between row. We can remove column and create new column gap. Okay, now everything looks okay, but we also can change space between. We can using justify content space around. I think it'll be more attractive. And also we need to change title. And change subtitle. First, create new font size and a new margin. Bottom. Okay. Let's look at the mobile version. Okay, I think it looks nice, and let's try another phone. Okay, let's go next. First we need to add padding. Add padding right and padding left. Look here. Okay, we can using the same property, the same parameters, and also we need to add padding top and padding bottom. First create padding top and next create padding bottom. Okay, and also I think we can to add max width. Okay, and now we can start work on mobile version. Where we create new styles for mobile. Okay, first we need to change size, our title and subtitle. Okay, and also add a new font size for subtitle. Let's look at the phone. Okay, change this space. Change margin bottom. And change padding inside our form. Okay, and also we need to change placeholder. Size. Okay, create new placeholder size. And change padding inside. Okay, and next let's continue, and now we can delete comment about section. Let's look. First we need to add padding. Let's look okay, here also need to add padding. We can using this property here. And also we need to change size our image, and we can using max width full. And also we need to add padding top and padding bottom. Okay, and we need to change font size. Because I think it's too big, and also we need to change space between subtitle and title. First we change font size this desk. And change margin and font size is subtitle. First add new font size. and change margin button. And change margin button between title and subtitle. We can delete margin top. Okay, let's look at the phone. I think it looks correct, and in the last we can work on our footer. Delete this comment. We can using only one property. Using flex wrapper and add gap. But also we need to change size. This button. Create new width and create new height. It's too small. And change size our image. Add width in %. And hide auto. Okay, now I think it looks nice. And okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe on the channel. And I think it was the last video about this project. In the next video we'll start working on new project, and see you in the next video.